Now let's discuss about coplanar vectors. Coplanar vectors are those vectors which are in the same plane. Alright, the vectors which are found in a single plane are called coplanar vectors. Alright, it may be two or more than two vectors. Alright, so just like a plane, xy plane, let's say this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So x and y axis is making xy plane. Similarly, this black screen you're watching, those all, these things, or you can say your plane paper. All right, so the vectors, if you're making in a plane, in a single plane, let's say this is vector A. All right, let's say this is vector B, no matter of direction, no matter of magnitude. All right, let's say this is vector C. So these all vectors are in one plane. All right, are in this xy plane. So these vector A, vector B, vector C, all are coplanar vectors. Similarly, this is a black screen, right? I'm not taking anything, so it's just 2D, two-dimensional. This is one dimension, this is another dimension. So whatever the vectors I'm making here, let's say this is vectors, let's say this is vector AB. All right, this is vector AB, this is point A, this is point B. Similarly, let's say this is vector C D. All right, this is C and D, so we connect this. All right, so this is vector CD. So let's take another, this is point P, this is point Q. So these all are together in a plane. All right, so these all vectors are called coplanar because these all are in a plane. Similarly, you take a white paper and with the pencil you draw as many vectors as you can. So those all vectors you draw in a single sheet of the paper, those all vectors are coplanar because those all are in one plane. All right, that's it. That's the coplanar vectors.